Hi, my name is Suzanne. I'm a consultant with Usborne Books and More. Today I want to share with you one of our Peek Inside a Fairy Tale books. This one is Beauty and the Beast. We have 3 others in the series: Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Little Red Riding Hood. The pages all have cutouts so you can keep seeing through to the next page. Some of the pages have flaps. This is not the story you may expect. This is not the Disney version of Beauty and the Beast, but it is much more like the traditional story. And this book and all of our fairy tale Peek Inside are geared towards those ages 3 and up.